of this conference. That is the feedback section, and that's a very important section for all of the managing committee and managing organization of KYLC. So please be careful, everybody from the committee of KYLC 2.0, because the feedback will be shared by the delegates, and we will have to learn about it. I will have to learn the lessons from the feedbacks of the delegates, and we will concur it in our KYLC 3.0 whenever we will be organizing KYLC 3.0 in next year, of course. So we'll be concluding all those things. We'll be resolving all the problems, whatever the feedback given by the delegates, and we'll be applying some suggestions to that will be shared by the delegates. So delegates, are you ready to share your feedbacks? Delegates, it's your platform, and now I'm opening the session for the delegates to share their feedbacks. Intija, are you there? Intija? Miss President, are you there? Intija? Intija, am I audible to you?
I think Intija
okay, I think Intija is having connection problem. No issues. Kanta is there, Kanta?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, Kanta is there. No worries. She is the superstar. She will take it. Okay, so the feedback session will be held by you only. Feedback session will be led by you only. So lead this session, and then take the feedbacks of the delegates. Up to you, Kanta.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Thank you, Vipul. It's not up to me, basically. It's totally up to the delegates. Please raise your voices for giving feedback to us. I am here to answer all the questions. Anyone? Yeah, please introduce yourself and ask the question.
I'm Randhir from IIT Delhi, but I didn't got the email Randhir. I didn't got the email for study meeting. I got the email for study meeting today at 11:30 a.m. around. So I could not attend the study session.
I'm not getting your voice clearly. Please slow down. I will get that. Having some internet issues. So please.
I said that I didn't got the email for yesterday session. I got that email today for yesterday session. So I was not able to attend the study session. I don't know where the problem was. Maybe it management side.
Well, thank you for your question. First of all, you didn't get that email. It's my fault. First of all. Second fault is the internet system. Okay, we have sent the email to 106 people at a time, and you didn't get that. So that's a very matter of sorrow. I'm sorry for that. It's my fault totally. I am on behalf of this core committee. I'm taking this responsibility. I'm so sorry that you didn't get that email, but please check your internet. Okay, internet again. I think you will get that next time.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone else?
Pramisha Mishra has come in the webinar.
Right.
Pramisha, welcome back. I miss her, basically. We were roommates, last year. Pramisha, wanna say something? Some feedback? Pramisha, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, Pramisha.
Yeah, I can.
About KYLC 2.
No, it was great. I could not join today. I had some office works and meetings. So
it's totally fine.
Study for me.
Congratulations for your work. You are working tremendously. So continue your work and happy marriage life.
Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else? No feedback? So we did so good. Because we have no fault.
Anybody else who
want
to have their views? Anybody else?
I'm so proud.
This is Utubang on the line.
Yes.
Utubang from Nigeria.
Okay.
Yeah, hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
feedback is coming from Nigeria too, Kanta.
Yeah, this is Otobong from Nigeria.
Okay.
Can you
Hi,
hear me?
Otobong.
Please continue.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you everyone for.
One big.
Thank you everyone. Yeah. Thank you everyone. A great summit, that is being held. I've been following all the proceedings and the rest, and gradually, I'm becoming to be a family, and to once more get to give my own observations and whatsoever you need from Nigeria. If you need more delegates, I'll be there to ensure they be part of this Kalam Youth Leadership Conference. My question is, I want to know how it's being held, if it's held biannually or if it's held annually, so we can key into the process and ensure we will have a fruitful deliberation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Otobong. If I don't pronounce your name, so I'm sorry. And thanks for being from Nigeria, and your presence honors us. I am thankful to you on behalf of the whole KYLC team. Munnaji is also proud of us, proud of you, because you are us.
Thank you very much.
And of course, we will make that make sure that next year in KYLC 3 we will have more than 5 to 10 delegates from Nigeria.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Kanta.
Yes,
Kanta.
ma'am.
He wanted to know whether this event is held annually.
Yeah, if it's annually or biannually.
Sorry, then I missed something. I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, it has started from the previous year, and it will be done annually on the 27th of July, on the passing day of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, one of the most popular president of India. I hope you know about him. He is known as the Missile Man. Okay, so you can read about him, and this is an annual program. It will be held again in July 2021.
Yeah, special thanks to Muna. Please, special thanks to Muna. Greet Muna for me. Yeah.
Munnaji?
One request to all of our dear participants, guests, invitee, and moderator, and all others. Just open your camera. We have group photo. We have group photo.
Yes.
I want to be in the front line.
Open up.
Okay, great.
Deepak, Sandeep Kumar. Just open all and just sit down. Don't move your camera, please. Don't move your camera. Thank you so much, Sandeep Kumar.
Okay, is it okay?
Sandeep Kumar, Aurangzeb Alam, Ravi Armo sir, Manisha, Uday Singh, Kunal Hussain sir, Bittu Laha, Galaxy J7, Giti, and others. Kunal Hussain sir, KYLC speaker sir, and Sandeep Kumar, please.
Done.
Now it's frame, really great frame. Everyone can take.
Oh, I did.
I'm also taking this. Oh, where is Intija? Intija has lost the connection, I think so. Take the. मुस्कुराइए, आप ग्रुप फोटो में हैं. Wait. I have to take some more.
मेरा दांत.
Is the recording also? Who are in camera, they will be captured only. Okay.
Is it done? Can I move?
Wait. Intija has now joining. Sandeep Kumar. Good. Intija, open your camera. We have group photo session. Everyone can take a snapshot and share on the page so that we can filter the best one and we will make it historical. Kunal Bhushan sir, Uday sir.
I've taken the screenshot.
Yeah. Nigeria is already in the frame. just be a smile. So your teeth.
I am smiling for
It
the
means
love.
that you have taken the brush today. Yeah. That's why your teeth.
I am smiling for the first 1 year. Is it done?
This is last moment. Giti has also come and Kunal Bhushan sir, please come on. Kunal Bhushan, please come on. Intija Karim, Ruhi Raman also has visible now. For that, Intija Karim, Sandeep Kumar, Intija Karim, Sandeep Kumar. Sandeep Kumar. Neeraj sir, Kunal Bhushan sir, only one. Sandeep Kumar and Kunal Bhushan. They are sleeping. I don't know. Two more. Wait.
Okay.
Wait. Intija, come on online. Intija, Sandeep Kumar, Kunal Bhushan sir.
Intija is having network issues.
Yeah,
for the moment I'm here. I was trying to access several times, but there were connectivity issues. Apologies for that.
Okay, no problem. Just smile.
very sad. Yeah, done.
Okay. Thanks, Mr. Chairman. So, can we move forward?
Yeah.
With your kind permission.
That's it. Go ahead.
Okay. So after the feedback session, the last session of this conference is going to be happen very soon. And before inviting for the vote of thanks, Ms. Kantaraja, I would like to invite you for before inviting for the vote of thanks. I would like to tell one line and remember the things. एक कविता है, एक लाइन है, एक गीत है, हम होंगे कामयाब. हम लोग सब मिलके गाते ही रहते हैं इसको हमेशा. तो जस्ट वी हैव टू मूव ऑन एंड वो कविता या वो गीत जो है हम होंगे कामयाब से उसको हम हो गए कामयाब तक ले जाने की जर्नी शुरू की है मुन्ना भैया ने KYLC से और स्वाप फाउंडेशन से. तो जब तक हम उसको हम हो गए कामयाब तक लेके नहीं जा रहे हैं, तब तक इसको कंटिन्यू करने का वादा खुद से कर रहा है और कलाम साहब से भी करना है, ताकि हम इस चीज को कंटिन्यू कर सके और ये इंथुसियाज्म, ये एनर्जी गिरे नहीं. 2020 ना सही 2025 2030 बाई SDGs हमको क्लियर करना है और जरूर करना है. खुद में कॉन्फिडेंट रहना है. ठीक है, सारी बातों को मानना है. तो ये जर्नी होगी हम होंगे कामयाब से हम हो गए कामयाब तक, और इस जर्नी का नाम दिया जाएगा. आगे चलते हैं हम वोट ऑफ थैंक्स की तरफ, और वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दिया जाएगा सेक्रेटरी KYLC 2.0. फिर से मैं SK कांता राजा मैम को इनवाइट करूंगा. आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट SK कांता राजा मैम फॉर द वोट ऑफ थैंक्स सेशन. Secretary KYLC SK Kanta Raja ma'am, up to you ma'am.
Thank you so much, Vipul. You are doing great. Okay, Thanksgiving is is like everyone has done that. I'm just doing the formality, but yet, good afternoon, change makers. Hope you all are doing fantastic. More than half of the world's population is under the age of 30. You know, all of us know that. I strongly believe young people have the energy, enthusiasm, creativity, and idealism to challenge entrenched patterns of exclusion and injustice. Kalam Youth Leadership Conference 2020 has given the chance to have a platform for such energetic youth leaders across the globe. Youthism is where stories begin. Here you are, the storytellers of upcoming future. I'm here today to thank all of you, all the delegates from different countries, the speakers who delivered their best, the award winners who are contributing to their community continuously and have devoted themselves to humanity, the moderators who helped us dealing with the sessions smoothly, the judges who helped us selecting the brightest ones from all the stars present. Thanks Mr. Bipul for handling the whole conference as a great speaker and a host. Along with Bipul, I give my thanks to Dinesh ji, Shubhra sir, my friend Chandiraki from Nepal, Ravi ji, Fawad ji, and Manisha, the girl that did a lot of things. Thanks for your contribution. I, being the secretary of this conference, give my heartfelt thanks to Khwaab Foundation, especially Mr. Munna Kumar, founder of Khwaab Foundation, for arranging Kalam Youth Leadership Conference. I'm thankful to our chief guest. He was present yesterday, Mr. APJMJ Sheikh Salim, Director of Operations at APJ Abdul Kalam Center, and also he is a managing trustee of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Foundation. He has given his valuable time for us. And I'm also thankful to our guest of honor who has given one of the most inspired speech yesterday, Dr. Rinchen Chopin, Director General of South Asia Initiative to End Violence Against Children. I can't stop thanking our Honorable Chairperson Dr. Archana Bhattacharya ma'am for her immense support and positivity which made us work day and night for the smooth run of this conference. I don't know whether we could do it or not. And last but not the least, Ms. Imtiza Karim, President of Kalam Youth Leadership Conference 2020, a wonder woman who did more than the best one can do. Take my love, Imtiza. Giving thanks doesn't mean the end of the journey. It is just the beginning to a new one. See you until the new one. Salute to Dr. Kalam. Joy Bangla. Jai Jagat. Thank you all.
So with these claps, I would like to announce the closing of the ceremony, and closing words will be given by me only. So I'll be giving the closing announcement. I'll be doing the closing announcement of KYL.
Okay. I am announcing that I request Mr. Bipul Sharan Srivastava to deliver the closing speech.
Thank you, SK Kanta Raja, the super girl, the super woman, the super lady from Bangladesh, and who is having all of the resources inside her only. So basically, congratulations to everyone who have been associated with us in KYLC 2.0, and I would like to invite you. I would like to see you all with some other changes, being the change maker in our KYLC 3.0 platform next year. So be ready for that and enjoy your journey in the next one year. I hope maximum of us will be safe in this COVID period, and some of us were affected by COVID. So I pray for their speedy recovery and health. And right now, I, Vipul Saran, signing off from Kalam Youth Leadership Conference from the whole team of KYLC 2.0. I congratulate everybody, and I am announcing the closing ceremony. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Jagat. Thank you.
Thank you so much to all. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. See you next year.
See you in 2021. See you all in 2021 at Patna.
With food, please. With food.
Green congratulations, all of you.
सबको ऐसा कीजिए, एक पिक्चर ले लेता हूँ मैं. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Is it done?
Yeah, done.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
कुमारी और इनकी टॉपिक है लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम डॉक्टर APJ